Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. I'm at the station of LRT right now in SS15 and I have come here to explore. You can see how beautiful weather it is right now in KL. It is about to rain and I'm going to explore this area. I have come here to explore each street. Now I'm going through this street. You can see. Oh my god, I think it is about to rain in just few minutes. Oh. I have find out something. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it is a playground here and you can see all the players are playing here. I will be with you next time. Like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment. Thank you.